How to register and create an eCAV account in the CHED One Touch integrated system. Open your preferred web browser. Type eCAV in your browser's search bar and click the official CHED One Touch integrated system website from the search results. Make sure it uses the official CHED domain. Log in to your CHED One Touch integrated system account. Enter your email and password in the respective fields, then click Sign In. On your dashboard, find eCAV and click the Access button to continue. A prompt will appear stating that eCAV is requesting permission to access your account. Click the green Authorize button to continue. Click the drop-down button and choose your user type. For user type, there is only one available option: applicant, graduate, student. Select it from the drop-down list. Fill out the profile form and provide the correct information in each field to complete your profile. This includes first name, middle name, optional, enter it if you have one, otherwise, leave it blank. Last name, suffix, optional, enter it if you have one, like junior, senior, the first, the second, the third and the fourth, otherwise, leave it blank. Gender. Select from the drop-down list by clicking the icon. Birth date. Click the mini calendar icon and choose your year, month, and day. Nationality 11-digit mobile number. For the address details, fill them in the following order. Region. Select from the drop-down list. Province or state. Select from the drop-down list. City or municipality. Select from the drop-down list. Barangay. Select from the drop-down list. Lot number and street. Enter manually in the text field. Once you have completed filling out your profile, click the Complete Registration button. A message will appear on the screen confirming that your registration was successful. Then click Go to CHED One Touch. On your dashboard, find eCAV and click the Access button. You're all set. You have successfully registered and can now start your eCAV application.